Raindrop Textbook, Lesson number 6, Old Brer Rabbit. The following story is adapted from an African American folk tale. The word Brer is short for brother. Brer Rabbit is a naughty but likable character with a gift for getting out of difficult situations. Read this tale about how he plays a trick on Brer Fox. Section 1. Brer Rabbit and Brer Fox were like some children I know, said Uncle Remus, looking at the little boy who had come to hear another story. Both of them were always after one another. One day, Brer Rabbit and Brer Fox and Brer Coon and Brer Bear and a whole lot of them were clearing up a ground to plant a new crop. The sun got sort of hot. Brer Rabbit got tired, but he didn't give up because he was afraid that the rest of them would call him lazy. He kept carrying away the rubbish and piling up the bush being cleared. Then, suddenly, he yelled out of that he had a thorn in his hand. He slipped off to look for a cool place to rest. After a while, he came across a well with two buckets hanging in it from a wheel on top. "That looks cool," said Brer Rabbit. "I shall just get in there and take a quiet nap." With that, he jumped into one of the buckets. As soon as he did that, the bucket just went down into the well. "Wasn't the rabbit scared, Uncle Remus?" asked the little boy. "Honey, there hasn't been a beast more scared since the world began than Brer Rabbit was then. He was so scared he almost got a fever. Very soon the bucket hit the water. The Brer Rabbit kept mighty still because he didn't know what was going on. He just lay there shivering with shock. Now, Brer Fox always had one eye on Brer Rabbit. He saw him slip away from the new ground. Brer Fox sneaked after him. He knew Brer Rabbit was up to something, so he followed him quietly. Brer Fox saw Brer Rabbit come to the well and stop. Then he saw him jump into the bucket. Next, he saw him go down and out of sight. Brer Fox was the most astonished fox that you ever laid eyes on. He sat there in the bushes and thought, but he couldn't make head nor tail for it at all. Then he said to himself, "Well, I know what it is. Brer Rabbit keeps his money hidden down in that well. If he hasn't done that, he has discovered a gold mine, and if it isn't that, I am going to find out what it is."